Yo, what's good, guys? I hope you're doing great. Like always, I'm in a good mood, you feel me? This video will show you how to make a Lil Uzi type beat, how to make a melody from scratch for Lil Uzi, and then creating like a unique bounce to it. So let's just dive right into the breakdown. We'll play the beat right here. It's really simple. I based it on the first sound of Eternal ATAKE 2. Yeah, we got some simple chords going on. Yeah. Yes, I like this. First of all, let's just start with the chords. Right here, we got Cradle State Machine BitFlip. If you don't know this plugin, this is free to download from Cradle. So better hit that like button because I'm putting you guys on in this video, you feel me? But we got some simple chords right here. I think it's C minor. Super simple. Just added some EQ to this to cut out the lows. But this plugin is really solid for those video game type of sounds. It's perfect for like Lil Uzi. Next up, we have a layer on top of this, also from BitFlip, from Cradle. It's a free plugin, but I was like, why not test it out? It's like a sort of lead, and then just like on top of the chords from before. I added some spreader. I love this plugin. It creates like a wide feeling to your melodies. Super VHS as well, right here. And then some EQing for the low ends. Super simple. Then we have this unique little ARP sound. Even this sounds fire. Yeah, that sounds fire. I added some shaper box to this. Feel Stutter Groove, it's called, the preset. And then some Valhalla Eternal 8-note. This is my favorite preset from Valhalla Delay. By the way, let me know down below in the comments what your favorite song is from Eternal ATAKE 2. To me, the album was cool. It's like the beat sounds different, the sound selection is different, the way he did his vocals is different. But I like it. I kind of like it. Not every song, but there's some songs in there that could like add to my playlist. But this is what the ARP type of sound sounds like. Real simple pattern. Sip on my coffee. Yes, even that in itself is like ready to flip. And then with the chords. And then it goes down right here. I like this. And the shaper box gives it like some extra texture. The other pad. Okay, and then last but not least, we have another sound from Cradle. Also like sort of lead bell-ish sound. Just to switch it up a little bit. Give some extra, some different harmonies in there. This is the preset Basement Square. For effects, I added some EQ in, spreader again, Valhalla Vintage Verb, and some Super VHS. This is what it dry sounds like. So a lot of processing on this one. Then let's go over to the drums. I use my kit for this, which is in the link in the description. Let's start off with the 808. I like to start off with my 808 just to create like some bounce and some rhythm, and then go over to the clap or the snare and the hi-hat. It's simple because the melody is already like super full, and I felt like we could go for like a simple type of pattern. Then we got this counter snare. It's like on a weird place. But then the hi-hat, little rolls in there. If you don't know how to create these rolls, I just highlight it, Option U on Mac, and then you have like the chopper here, and you can then make chops like this. Lately I also like to add like a triple triple notes right here. I don't know what it's called, but creates a lot of bounce when the drum hit. Okay. Simple clap. It's all for my kit. By the way, I got a new kit coming. And then right here, I got a kick as well. But since I'm hearing it right now, I don't like the kick. What was I thinking? Let me change that, because this kick is not matching the 808. See, sometimes you gotta switch it up. Yeah, this is better. And only on like the first two notes of the 808. That way it creates like some extra punch in the beat. So quiet, hit, quiet, hit, hit. Yeah, like that. And then all together, let's play it from here. Let's hear how that sounds. It's more of a vibe. So to match Uzi's vibe a little bit more, let's just add some distortion to the bass. Get rid of these notes. Let's just pitch it back up. I feel like that will go way better with Uzi. Maybe 2 semitones. On this. Yeah, the mix is really important on this one, so I kind of tweaked it a little bit. I feel like this fits way better with Uzi's style. Yeah, I should be starting my key. I should be telling my key. Hey man, this is the beat. I hope you enjoyed it. We tweaked it a little bit, but I hope you enjoyed it. Hope especially you learned from this. If you did, don't forget to leave a like and a comment down below. I'm back to regular uploading again. I've just been doing so much. If you want to, I can explain to you guys what I'm like doing it and why I'm like traveling so much. But I haven't forgotten about you guys. So much love. Appreciate you guys and peace.